What do you think we're gonna run, like 15s?
If we're lucky, we'll hit 15s. You know.
So it's my first time ever on a track, drag strip. First time ever gonna be racing. So I'm excited to see how this is gonna go.
What's going on, kid family? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Great Lakes Dragway with Bullet's garage and his Lexus GSF. First time taking this beast out on the racetrack. If you guys are not familiar with the Lexus GSF, go check out Bullet's garage's channel. He'll tell you guys more about the car. Essentially 2016 GSF. It's got a, what's it got? Pretty much nothing. Pretty much bone stock with the catback exhaust, coilovers, and we're gonna see what it runs at the quarter mile. We're running around 55 degrees right now, 50 degrees. Full interior, boys, but we're trying to get logger here just to monitor some data while he's at the track. Again, just to show you around, car's got a bunch of crap in it. Even brought his spare tire just in case we get trapped here in Wisconsin. We're about an hour drive away from home from the track. As you can see, he's got the airbags for the front, and we're gonna air down the tires. We're gonna get a few passes in. Hopefully it does pretty good. Hopefully we run a 13, so we'll see. All right, we're trying to get the pedal dance going, which is the stupidest thing Lexus has invested.
Stupidest thing, like, jeez, this is the dumbest shit ever.
So to turn off traction control is just the dumbest nightmare ever. But we got an app pulled up. We're gonna be monitoring some air fuel ratios, ignition timing, just some generic stuff. We'll see how accurate it is. The response time on these is not the fastest, but at least we'll get some data. We'll screen record that, run it back after the quarter mile, see what happens. I'll see you guys in about half an hour when we make some progress with the pedal dance. Faster. This car gotta run faster. These cars run around 12.9 to 13 quarter mile. I'm not even sure on the trap speed, but cold day, hopefully we get the tires warmed up a little bit and run. If we run a 13.5, I'll be happy.
You got a channel?
If you guys want to check out a turbo Civic build, check out my channel. It's called BULLI Kid. He'll put it in the description below. Yep. I'm gonna try to do a very cheap eBay turbo build on my 8th gen Honda Civic all by myself. I'm gonna do the fabrication, the installation, and the tuning. I'm learning as I go, so check out that channel too. We're brothers right here. We both got channels, so if you guys want to subscribe, help support us, we'll appreciate that. He's lining up against the track hawk, and they're just prepping the track right now. We're gonna have a fresh prep track. Oh, he's gonna get his ass whooped, boys. Yeah. 1,000 horsepower to the wheels. Track hawk. This thing's a beast. This thing ran 10.1 just not too long ago.
thing's dropped a lot. It was
Alright.
at 85 when I went to run.
What'd you get though?
12.7.
12.7. Not bad. Hey, how was the launch though? Did you spin a lot?
Yeah, it was spinning.
Are you in first gear when you? All right. Well, let's try it again. So how much we going at right now?
We're gonna go to 20.
20 pounds.
And not lower than that.
Yeah. No, that should be good.
What'd you just tell me?
We're gonna go to 20 pounds in the rear tires.
Okay.
Hopefully get a better 60 foot. You know, we're steady at 2.0 on a 60 foot.
Okay.
Hopefully it gets a little bit better.
Like a 1.9.
Yeah, 1.9 would be nice. Just gonna drive around a little bit here, try to get the air temps down a little bit.
Okay.
Fourth pass. So far it's been pretty good. He's
Really
improving. So if we can get a low 12.6, I think that's pretty good for that car as is, you know.
A good idea. During Gary Lane's April Showers of Savings sale, save thousands today on every new Chevy and GMC truck or SUV, plus hundreds of quality certified pre-driven vehicles to choose from, all
12.8.
on display.
Coming in hot.
That's cool.
Look at the tires on that thing. Sheesh. Told him to go around. That's good. Bring it forward a little bit. That's good.
Doing this on a track where you're safe, this is freaking amazing. I hope you can hear me. All I hear is myself and my helmet.
Alright guys, so 12.69 at 112 miles per hour. We're running 2.0 60 foot. We're trying to get it to the 1.9s. Hopefully lowering the tire pressure is gonna accomplish that. It's weird that Mustang, he said that Mustang got a better reaction, or 60 foot. So maybe he might have to pedal it a little bit off instead of just hammering it down. But overall, impressive and improving. Every run is almost an improvement. Weather's good, vibes are good. Again, we got all this extra weight. But go ask him how he ran the 1.9
How?
on stock ass tire. Look, he's probably not spinning, that's why. Right there is good.
Alright, folks, station lanes will be closing in about 45 minutes or so. Once again, station lanes will be closing in about 45 minutes.
And now it's stable, just 15% off sign.
On behalf of Great Lakes Driveway, this time I want to say thank you all for being here tonight. This until Tuesday. We'll be here again all week long, including tomorrow.
And printing.
Wednesday, ladies' night, every single Wednesday. Ladies getting the rings for free. What's up, buddy?
Seeing a foster child struggling with hunger, how would you recognize them?
By their clothes.
Their age, the way they speak?
Hunger can be hard to recognize. Learn why at IamHungryAmerica.org. Brought to you by Feeding America. 200 food banks strong.
Heading south for a couple. All right, here's a more affordable option here at Lexus. And it still looks fancy. This is nice. Where do people get money from?
That was a new best, huh?
That was a new best.
Heck yeah.
That's the best one, yeah. Right lane, baby. Right
That
lane.
looked good.
Right.
Nice.
Oh, baby, you tired me?
Hey, look, we got into 1.9 60 foot.
Anybody here would
Nice.
if you wanted to borrow one.
Good, good.
If I'd have known, I'd have brought mine.
198.
1986, yeah. Not bad. Personal best, huh?
Nice run.
Yeah.
Another new best, huh?
Yeah, I don't know what I did, but it's pretty good for what it is. I mean,
Yeah.
can't complain. We'll see what it is, but today was a good ass night.
That was a good run.
That was a good run.
Is that it for the night?
That's it for tonight. Tires are pretty bald already, so.
Yeah.
But it was a good time.
Nothing wrong with that.
Paparazzi!
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come